Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 219 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another ShopMissA product, and today I have the USHAS, another brand that I don't really know how to pronounce from the ShopMissA website. I've never tried anything from this brand before. But so the USHAS Smooth Blush Stick, and I have it in the shade 5. It's funny to me how a lot of the ShopMissA products don't actually have names. They're just numbered for the colors. But this does come in 6 different colors, and they range from like a bright pink to a deep berry shade. I went with something kind of in the middle, more of a maybe a neutral-ish type of blush. Hopefully I made a good choice with this color, but it does look pretty from what I can tell. But so since this is from ShopMissA, it's only $1 and it's cruelty-free. I love that. I'm always looking for $1 products and cruelty-free products. So this is only $1, but this is a lot of product. Oh, actually it's deceiving. This is as far as it goes up. So hopefully this is pigmented and a little goes a long way, but at least it's only $1. Start out by swatching it. Oh yeah, this is pigmented and this shade is really pretty. I would say it's more bright on the swatch and on my skin than it even looks here in the stick. Oh yeah, creamy, blends out pretty easily. Let's go ahead and see how this looks on my cheeks. I really need to add some color to my face. So if you wanted to go for like a dramatic look, you could leave it like this. Just kidding. I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingertips. This is so creamy and a lot more pigmented on my cheek than I was expecting from that swatch. I was like, wow, that disappears. I need to put on more. No. Wow, that's funny. I gotta say, it does look like I have a sunburn on my cheek, so that's kind of how I know it's a pretty natural blush shade. So let's just ignore the application of this, but the texture and the feel of this product is so nice and smooth on my skin. A good thing I have another cheek to try this out on. Wow, so I am so impressed by the pigment of this and by how well it blends out and how well it sits on the skin. It also sits really nicely on top of my makeup. And this shade number 5, I think is a really pretty color. It's a very natural, flushed type of shade. Even that little bit still looks like a lot of blush, but I think that this looks very wearable for every day, any time of day. For fun, I want to see if this works as a lip tint. So pretty. I love using products for multi-purposes, and I think this is a really nice way to tie in that pink shade with the makeup look. Actually feels pretty creamy and a little bit moisturizing on my lips. But this really just looks so good on the skin. It's so smooth and it feels like hydrating, so it does give that very healthy kind of glowy skin look. Wow. I am very happy with this $1 product. I'm definitely going to continue to wear this. I'm pretty happy with the shade that I picked up too, but it does seem like they have a lot of very pretty shades that would work for a bunch of different skin tones, so I really appreciate that. And for $1, even if I had paid $10, $15 for this product, I would still be impressed because it's such a nice formula. I'm pretty impressed by this USHAS brand. I'm gonna have to see if I can find anything else from this brand to try out. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried this brand, if you have any other recommendations for products that I should try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.